What's up guys, Jacket Raccoon with another miscellaneous review. Today is going to be on a Zippo. All Zippos come in this box, unless you like a Zippo Blue or a fancy one, they come in bigger boxes. But made in Bradford, Pennsylvania. USA, made in America, genuine Zippo lighter, because there's a lot of fakes out there, so. And here it is. It's Death Before Dishonor, because my brother's in the army and he got this for me, knowing that I love lighters and so does he, so he got this for me. Yeah, one reason to buy Zippos is their unlimited lifetime warranty. I got some scratches on my chimney there, but it's all good. Phone's going off. Yeah, so they're fairly easy to maintain. Hinge is pretty durable. I mean, I've never had a Zippo break on me. The only thing that happened is, I don't know if you guys can see that if I compare it to more, yeah, you can, is sometimes it gets unlined a little bit. Oh wow, it looks really bad on the camera. It gets unlined a little bit, but that's nothing that you can't fix by just kind of pushing it forward, you know. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, I'll do it later. But one of the reasons I like Zippos is, of course, you can have fun with them. You can do the whole, ooh, I'm cool thing. Like, you can just kind of mess around with them. Like, of course, if you smoke, then you probably own a lighter of some sort. So, why not get one that's going to last, right? Zippos come with a bronze. It says Zippo on the bottom. Let me see if I can get the light just right there. We go. It says Zippo on the bottom, so you can tell a real one from a fake one. It's because fake ones don't have that Zippo thing on them. So yeah, Jagged Raccoon with a miscellaneous review. Thanks for watching.